Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding a bank account to your Amazon account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up a web browser and go to amazon.com and sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Click on Accounts and Lists to open up the Your Account page. Now, under the Ordering and Shipping Preferences heading, you want to click on Your Payments. Scroll down the Payments page to Personal Checking Accounts and click on Add a Personal Checking Account. Now, you just need to fill out all your bank account details. When you are done, click Add this checking account. And that's it, you have now added a bank account to your Amazon account. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazon tips and tricks.